Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 44 how to make the most of the keyboard shortcuts on Instagram using the application called GRIDS for Instagram using a computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So the first thing we need to do is go all the way down to the dock, click on the application itself called GRIDS, and now to close the window, all we need to do is Command and W. To bring back the window, Command N. Those are the first two shortcuts that come in very handy when we need to close the window, open up a new window. And now the next command that we should already know is how to copy tags and text from a photo. We can use Command C. And now if we Command space, Command V to paste, as you can see on screen, the text has been copied and pasted on screen. So if I Command space to move out of that, the next keyboard shortcut is how do we go back one page? Command and square bracket takes us back to the previous page. If I was to click on the profile on my Instagram, Command square bracket takes me back to my feed. How do I refresh the page? We can go to the left top corner, click on refresh, or we can use Command R to refresh the page again. In order for us to zoom in, zoom out, Command minus, zoom out, Command plus, zoom in, Command plus again, zoom in, Command minus, zoom out, zoom out. How do we go full screen? Command Control F takes us to full screen. Command Control F takes us out of full screen. Now if we're looking to go to the preferences for the application called GRIDS, all we need to do is Command and comma. So now we are in preferences. How do we close down the application? Command and Q. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.